Hi everybody, welcome back to the jewelry spot. Look what I was able to make with the things that I bought in my haul video. Stay tuned and watch what I was able to buy.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the jewelry spot. I have a mini haul video to do. I ran into some really good sales at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and so I thought I would share some of my findings from the past couple of weekends. So this weekend I found check glass beads right there. They're blue and also in brown. That was at Hobby Lobby this weekend, and they were on sale for like I think 74 cents or something. Then they had, this is Michael's, last week for Labor Day weekend sale. They had much of their many of their products were like maybe half off for $2.59 or something. Even the metal strung together beads, they had those on sale. And let's see, I found these green beads here. These are also from Michael's this weekend, and they're like just semi-precious beads. I think they're really pretty color, especially with fall coming up. Excuse me. These green beads at Hobby Lobby. I bought, let's see, that blue tuba beads right here. They're kind of light blue colored, and they're check glass beads. Yeah, they were on sale, a whole tube of those. I found some copper wires and a copper accessory like the ear wires here. Copper. Thought I would play around with color and different color metal. And I've never tried to make anything with the kidney ear wires, so I'm looking forward to that. I've purchased that in the store before, buying earrings, but I never have made any jewelry with that. I found crimp tubes and then some chain to kind of see what I can make. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what I can do with all my new beads and accessories. Thanks for watching.